this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix fail to receive platform SIPT League of Legends fix and how we can do it. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is if you're having this trouble, you just need to go over here, search here for the run command and you have to press enter. Now you need to type here ncpa.cpl and just go for OK. That is going to take you to this. Now from here you have to select the Wi-Fi if you are connected to the Wi-Fi. Right click and go to the properties. And over here scroll it down and make sure the Internet Protocol version 6 is unchecked here. If it is checked, you have to uncheck it and just go for OK. And once you're done with this one, you have to close it. Now just go over here. I'll be copying I'll be giving few commands in the description so you don't have to worry. First of all, we just need to go over here. Just type here cmd and click on run as administrator, and what you need to do is we just need to go for yes. Now we need to copy the command one by one. That is first one, that netsh winsock reset, so we have to copy and paste it and we have to press enter. Next one is netsh int ip reset, so go over here and copy and paste it, then you have to press enter. Go for the next one, that is netsh int ip v4 reset.log and you have to press enter. Now go for the next one, that is ipconfig release, and we have to copy and we have to paste it. Then you just need to press enter. Now we have to go for the next one, that is ipconfig renew, and you have to copy this and you have to paste it. Just press enter. Now we have to go for the next one, that is ipconfig flushdns, copy this and you have to paste it. Press enter. Go for the next one, that is ipconfig registerdns, and you have to copy this and you have to paste it. Now once you paste each one by one, you have to press enter, and once it's successfully copied and pasted, you have to do a restart on a computer. After the restart over here, you just need to go to the start, do a restart, and after the restart is successfully done, and still if you're having the trouble, you just need to go over here, search here for the settings and click on the settings. Now from here, what you need to do is you have to go to the network and internet. And if you're already in the Wi-Fi, try connecting via Ethernet cable directly and you have to check while launching the game. And still if you're having the trouble even directly connected to the Ethernet, you have to turn on the mobile hotspot and try launch the game. Connect the mobile hotspot, then you have to launch the game. Once you're in the game, you can just switch back to the Wi-Fi and you can continue play the game. So these are the steps, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.